Despite voicing his unreserved support, independent candidate Paulus Mbangu voiced his apprehension against the speed of proceedings, emphasizing the need to balance expeditious legislation with robust debate, integrity, and the expectations of the populace.
I think it's also a learning lesson to us as honorable member that at least going forward, we should never try to expedite bills in the fashion that we conducted in these sessions. Let's pray that maybe there will be no loopholes in the bill that might come back to haunt us. Because the dangers of rushing bills is that it severely undermines the integrity of the legislative process.
Among the bills that garnered considerable attention was the duo of private members' bills introduced by SWAPO National Assembly Member of Parliament, Jerry Ekanjo. These bills sought to override a Supreme Court ruling pertaining to the recognition of same-sex marriages legally concluded in foreign jurisdictions involving a Namibian citizen and a foreign national, and rendering this inconsequential within the legal framework of Namibia. The National Council has granted its explicit stamp of approval to these bills without encountering any objection or amendments during its review process.
5 of the Namibian Constitution. Honorable members, the July session was prompted by the urgent situation we found ourselves. By the end of 3-week session, the National Council have done its part of reviewing and passing all referred bills for assent by the President. I applaud you for passing the referred bills to avoid negative implications.
The imminent fate of these bills hing on the final procedural steps before they are signed into law by the President. This development has elicited concern among individuals who advocated for the recognition and equal rights of same-sex couples. The overall speedy processing of the 15 bills raises questions regarding the legislative process, the influence of public sentiment, and the potential ramifications on rights and freedoms. Critics argue that the swift approval of these bills by the National Council may not have allowed sufficient time for comprehensive deliberations, thorough examination of potential consequences, or robust discourse on the underlying principles at stake. Daniel Nadunyan, BC News, Parliament.